Away they go. Jumping Jonah, Yellow Soldier from the outside. Tigress Queen rushing up. Big Bang on the further outside is classic quality. Then comes Runaway Star, Star Eliza, Never Nays Soy Joe, and number 5. And this one is Kapitanako, Jumping Jonah, followed by Yellow Soldier, and racing in third by about 3 lengths. Classic quality, Tigress Queen. Star Eliza is racing in fifth by a length and a half. Then comes Runaway Star, Never Say No Joe alongside Big Bang, and a long way back to Kapitanako. Yellow Soldier, Jumping Jonah, Classic Quality, Tigress Queen, Star Eliza getting closer in fourth, and Runaway Star as they race upon a corner. Yellow Soldier by about 2 lengths, and Tigress Queen alongside Star Eliza. Yellow Soldier, Tigress Queen, and Star Eliza on the outside, and moving up is Runaway Star in the middle. It's now Runaway Star, and finally another Jeff Tagulaw Sarate on Runaway Star, Yellow Soldier, Tigress Queen, number 6 Big Bang, and Classic Quality.